Good morning, children. Today I am going to say here third section of second lesson, energy from the sun. Third section of second lesson, that is energy from the sun. Generally, we learned about how the rotation and revolution of the earth. These are all we learn. So here, it's a very great thing in the earth. It is protecting us like anything, isn't it? I told you previously. So this earth, how it is going to balance the heat? How it is going to balance the heat? We are saying here. So heat balance. The topic is heat balance. Generally, what happens when sun is giving light and heat? You all know that it's a big powerhouse. Power, it gives energy and power and light. The only source, the prime source of total earth is sun. So when the sun is giving a lot of power and energy to the earth. So but is it earth is receiving full or not? Whatever earth is taking, it is called insolation. I already told. What is how much earth is taking to the earth? That is called insolation. One of the important keywords. So with that insolation, how it is going to do insolation? Most of the whatever the sun rays are coming to the earth, they are not totally taken by the earth. 30% is radiating back to the space, and some will take by the atmosphere, some will take by the dust and other particles in the atmosphere, and some it will be radiated back into the space. Like that, many things are happening. And one more thing, earth is in a curvature shape, isn't it? So when the earth, whatever sun rays are coming onto the earth, this will not be totally or even evenly, it is not spreading on the earth, because earth is in a spherical shape, isn't it, children? So how it is balancing? About 1/3 of it is whatever coming from the sun's energy on the earth's surface, that is 1/3 of earth energy is giving back, radiating back to the space. Okay, and remaining thing, rest of the things, it will be giving to something into the clouds and atmosphere. Some it is going to the dust particles. Like that, it is going. Because if suppose sun is whatever energy given by the sun is taken totally by the earth, then what happens? Every day it accumulates more heat and it becomes very hotter. The earth will become so much hotter. That's why earth is not taking. And if it not taking anything also, again it will be problem. It will become cooler and cooler. So that's why our earth is very happily, our earth is protecting us, and it is taking how much we have to take, that much only it is taken by the earth. So how earth is protecting us? So at the same time we have to protect our earth, isn't it? So when the earth is there like this, the sun rays are there, then the sun rays are wherever it is coming. See, here in the equator, 0 degrees, north pole and south pole. So wherever this straight lines, it is sun rays are coming onto the earth, in this area only it will be more hot, isn't it? And where from here it is obliquely, that means slantingly it is going on the sun rays. So wherever it is reaching these things, when the sun rays are reaching onto the earth, here itself only it is going somewhere. Many places it is taken by the clouds, taken by the atmosphere, radiating back again to the sun. So that heat balance is doing by the earth. If the entire heat is not radiated back, then what happens? It will become more hotter and hotter. It accumulates every day, accumulates heat, and the earth will become hotter. And on the other hand, if the earth receives less heat, also problem. When it is taking less heat, then what happens? It becomes cooler and cooler. So both are dangerous. That's why earth is taking very much balance to the heat. That's why it is called heat balance. That is playing a very good role. And when it is playing, Earth is playing, how it is playing a very good role? Because there is a blanket like wrapping with the thin layer of atmosphere. Here around the Earth there is a thin layer of atmosphere is there. So that atmosphere is taking care of the Earth. And previously I told, from the sun there are some dangerous UV rays, radio waves, X-rays. These are all coming to the Earth. So it cannot directly reach the Earth. The atmosphere layer is protecting us, isn't it? The atmosphere layer is protecting us. But what nowadays, what we are doing, what humans are doing, how the reckless exploitation to the Earth we are doing is, we are making a lot of pollution here on the Earth. So this pollution, in the pollution there are so many diesel, petrol, and we are using so many other things with the industrial wasting emits of solid, liquid wastes and all, gaseous wastes. These are all what happens in that most of the dangerous gas or carbon dioxide, methane, some other gases, nitrogen and all. These gases, what they are doing, when that gases are going to the atmosphere, no? So what happens? Atmosphere, whatever work by doing by the atmosphere, that will not be done by the atmosphere. So what happens? Directly the sun rays are coming to the Earth. So again, because of that, with that what happens? It leads to global warming. It leads to global warming. With this global warming means nothing but, here itself there is the answer, global warming. What is global warming? Globe. Globe is getting warm. That means globe is becoming hot. Globe is becoming very much hot. So how it is becoming very hot? Because of our reckless exploitation. Because of we are emitting so many gases, we are emitting industrial pollution, and all we are doing with that, it leads to global warming. That means whatever layer in the atmosphere, there is a layer called ozone layer. That ozone layer is protecting us. So that layer is getting disturbed by the Earth, and directly the sun rays are coming to the Earth, and it leads to global warming. So in the very detailly afterwards we will learn about that. And high and low temperatures. Scientists have recorded the highest and lowest temperatures reached on the Earth. Highest temperature place is called Aziza in South Africa. It is in Libya and South Africa in July 92. Scientists recorded highest temperature. That is how much you know? It is 57.8 degrees Celsius. It's the highest temperature recorded till now in 1922 in Libya, that is in South Africa. And the lowest temperature in Antarctica, Vostok Station. In this Antarctica, the temperature fell into minus 89.2 degrees Celsius in Antarctica. You know the continents: Africa, Antarctica, Australia, Asia, Europe, North America and South America. In that Antarctica, the lowest temperature is recorded as Antarctica. So next, tomorrow I will give you, say there is a question, what will happen if the atmosphere gets more polluted with the smoke and dust? What is the answer for this? Let me tell you. Some amount of solar rays absorbed or reflected away by the sun or away by the dust particles. So if the atmosphere gets more polluted, smoke and dust, it may absorb more heat. So when this atmosphere layer absorbs more dust particles, then what happens? It absorbs more heat. Atmosphere absorbs more heat. When atmosphere absorbs more heat, then what happens? The earth will become very hot. Okay, that is one of the important thing. And it reflects more, then it will heat more on the earth. Okay, because of that, we should not make global warming. And can you tell why there is a difference in heating of land and water? There is a one more thing, land and water relationship I already said. Water, land and water. There is a last point. There is a land and water. Here, Both are there on the earth, oceans and land part. So when land is with the sun rays, the land is becoming heat fastly and immediately it will be cooler down later quickly. But water part is, it takes much time to heat and even much time to release that. Why? What is the reason behind that? Means the water is transparent and it goes deep, the sun rays goes deep into the water and it heats up slowly and again it will be cooling down slowly. But land is, the top layer will be very hard. When the top layer is hard, it is not like transparent, it is opaque. So the sun rays cannot go into that. That's why on the top only it can heat fastly and it can cool up fastly. So this is the between the land and water. This is the relationship between the land and water. Because of that, see in some areas in India, for example, you take Visakhapatnam and Guntur, or Visakhapatnam and Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the interior place and Visakhapatnam is near the sea. So what happens generally? There the temperatures will be different and here the temperature, Hyderabad temperatures will be different. At the same time, for example, you take Goa and Delhi. Goa is near the sea coastal area and Delhi is an interior, isn't it? So here in the Delhi it is very hot and in the Goa it is a moderate climate. So like that depends on water and because of the land and water relationship, because of the atmosphere, temperatures are different from the land and water. Wherever you are there, depends on the places, the temperature will be changed. Okay children, tomorrow I will explain the graphs. Okay, I hope everyone understood. Thank you. Good day.